Hello students, just we have completed the lesson quality. In that lesson we have studied the character of Mr. Gessler and his work of quality. Now today we are going to see one of the poem from the same lesson, that is trees. See, that is trees. Trees trees you have a very you have a many more ideas and the concepts in your mind about the trees are very beautiful, you know that, and trees are very useful. We call them our friends because they gives us a lot of things. So trees are very important in our life, just like the banyan tree, people tree, mango, neem, sagwan. These are the important trees which gives us oxygen, which gives us wood, as well as they gives us food, shade, and many things. There are flower trees are also there, just like rose, lotus, we can say, periwinkle, or the marigold, bougainville. These are the different flowers which gives us a fragrance, as well as we use them for the various purposes. So in this way these trees are very useful for us, so we call them a trees are our best friends. Now here, in this poem, again we are going to see such a such a trees and their importance in our life. So see, take a few minutes, let's start, let's read. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Now here students, you have to write the names of different trees. Just I told you, the mango tree, neem tree, people tree, banyan tree. So you have to write the names of the trees. Mention the things trees gives us. Another work is there for you, that after writing the names of trees, now you have to write their uses. Then read this poem about the trees. Now we are going to read the poem, how these trees proves useful for us in many ways. Let's take first reading. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make trees house in, trees are to swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber are, trees make mothers say, what a beautiful picture to paint, trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. See students, in this poem there is a description of the trees and the variety of the things that trees gave us, as well as their uses. Now just I told you that trees are our best friends because they are very important for us. They release oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, so we can live, we can breathe. As well as these trees are very important to keep a balance in the nature. They provide nest, they provide shelter to the birds, animals, they provide food for everyone, just like birds, animals, and we. So there are the many, in many ways trees help us. Trees give us different things, so we call them a best friend. Now let's explain the poem. Trees are for birds. See, trees are for birds means what? Trees are for birds. Trees are very useful for birds. They provide shelter for the birds. Birds can build a nest on it, so trees are very important for birds. Then trees are for children. See, trees are for children means what? Trees are also useful for the children. They give us shade, as well as they give children can use them for the game hide and seek. Their children can climb on the tree for the fruits. So the trees are for children. Trees are to make tree house in. See, trees are to make house in. Tree houses, you may have heard about the tree houses are there in many hill stations or in many visiting points. There are the tree houses on the tree houses are built on the trees. Then trees are to swings on. Swings on, just like we can build, we can bind a स्विंग झोपाळ्या पण बांधू शकतो. ट्रीज आर फॉर द विंड टू ब्लो थ्रू, झाडामधून छान शांत गारा वाहू शकतो. ट्रीज आर टू हाईड बिहाइंड इन हाईड अँड सीक, ट्रीज आर युजफुल फॉर द children to hide and seek. trees are to trees are to have tea parties under. See, sometime at the time of picnic, at the time of holidays, we can use trees to do a parties, tea parties. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Sometime what happen at the time of flying kites in the sky, sometime our kites got in the got in the trees. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. In summer, these trees give us a shade. Trees are to make no shade in winter, but in winter there is no shade for us, but they can provide a shelter. Trees are for apples to grow on pears. See, trees gives us a different types of fruits, just like apples, pears, guava, as well as just like tamarind you like most. In this it means trees give us a different fruits to enjoy, to eat. Trees are to chop down and call timber. See, most important thing that trees give us a timber. Timber means wood. Timber means wood. These trees provide us a wood. These trees provide us a wood that we can use for the furniture, as well as at the time of building houses we can use wood. So trees also provide us timber. Timber means wood. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. See, when our mother see a picture of see a tree, at that time she says us, what a lovely picture to paint. See, in this mean we can draw a beautiful picture of trees. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. It means what? To rake means what? Rake is a type of tool which we use to gather or to collect the dry leaves, as well as to rake means to collect dry leaves which were shed by the trees. See, in this way students, there are the different uses are given here in this poem. How these trees proves very useful in various ways. So these trees are useful for the birds. They give us shelter to the birds. Birds can build a nest on it. Children can play in the shade of tree. Children can play different types of games, just like hide and seek, or they can enjoy a climbing on the tree for the food. So they can swing. They can swing a swings on tree. So these trees are very useful for the children also. For the nature, for the nature balance, these trees are important. It means that wind can blow very happily, as well as sometime in picnic, or we can enjoy the tea parties under the shade of tree. We can enjoy a lunch, afternoon lunch in a shade of tree. It gives us pleasure and the happiness. So see, in this way these trees proves very useful for us. So these trees we can call them our friends. So students, this poem is written by Shirley Baur. In this way we have completed this poem. Let's see some uh, questions. What are the games or human activities which use or in which trees also participate? What are the games? It means that children can play hide and seek. We can enjoy tea parties or afternoon lunch in the shade of trees. As well as children can climb on the tree. They can swing on the branches of the tree. These are the different activities, as well as human activities we can do with the help of trees. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Yes, trees are to make no shade in winter. See, the both lines are there. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Another line, contrast line is there. There are trees are to make cool shade in summer. These are the contrast lines. Contrast means opposite lines are given here. In summer, trees can give us shade, but in winter it is not possible. In winter there is no shade for the trees, because we can enjoy a winter season. Cold is there. There is no harsh sunlight, so there is no shade in the winter for the trees. See, Then trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? This line is humorous because apple grow on different tree and pears grow on different tree. Pear is a different fruit and apple is a apple means in Marathi it is called a safarchan. Pears in Marathi it is called a nashpati. So these are the different fruits on the different trees. See, with the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following examples. See, it means what? It means that after studying this poem, after writing this poem, you have to add your own lines. For example, has given trees are for birds to build nests in, and this is another poem we can add in the poem. Trees are for people to sit under. लोक झाडाखाली बसू शकतात, पक्षी घरटी घरटी बांधू शकतात. In this way you have to add your own line, your own thought in the poem. At the end you can write trees are used for, or trees are on the trees children can climb. Just like that you can add the poem. See students, now in this way we have completed this poem. So read it and enjoy it carefully. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.